Hello friends, welcome back to e-commerce project in Laravel 10. Last video we were discussed about home settings. In this video we can work is like menu. Sometimes user need to show like a main category e-commerce, electronic, fashion, home furniture, jewelry. You need to show in here. So when to make setting inside admin side, just go to categories and after you can edit this category, add new category, when to put here another checkbox like a menu. Once you can make checked, so this menu can show here. So in this video I will explain how we can do it. Before we can start this video, you are new in the channel other in this series, so please subscribe and please press the bell icon. So whatever content we are uploading, so always get the notification and you can start immediately new thing learning. And also, do you want to buy any script? Just go to our official website errorsolutioncode.com and you can buy it. Okay, so let's start now. So first of all, we need to add a new column inside a category table. So just I go to ecommerce.coms and here you can see it like a category, and I just do structures and I can add a new columns after is home. So just make it is menu and by default 0. So 0 we don't want to show, 1 means we need to show. And I can make it tiny integers and here I can pass 0 and press enter. So you can see it is menu, you can see it here. Okay, so now we need to work inside a admin side. So resources, views, category. Where is the categories? Sometime I also forget block categories. Inside you can see add, and let's scroll down. So you can see it here. Remember descriptions. Where is the category name? Add, status, image, button name, is menu. You can see it is home. So simply you can copy for this one and you can paste bottom and you can change here like a is menu, and here you can make it like a only menu. Okay, so now we need to save for this value whatever you checked and checked inside a database. So app HTTP controller, admin controller, here you can see it like category controller. Just scroll down. So same thing you can copy paste for the is home, and here you can updates. Okay, just scroll down again. Also you can update here. So this is the done now. Let's go back again and we can go to edit times like edit and just go down, and here also you can see it like a home screen. Just copy paste, and here also you can change whatever we did inside a add time. So simply is home to is menu, and here you can change to menu, and same thing you can do it inside a list.blade.php. Just go inside and here you can see it like home. So here you can change to menu, and after you can scroll down. So also you can copy paste, and here also you can change menu. Okay, let's go back again, refresh the page here. So you can see it here. Suppose I can make a checked, I click on the updates. So you can see working here, you can see it like a menu. Yes, add time also we have done, you can see it here. So everything done. Okay, now we need to work front side and we need to show menu whatever you checked. I know we can make it limited, but you can understand also is a shop menu there. So this is the shops, and here you can make it unlimited. Okay, so just go to layouts. Inside you can see the header.blade.php. Just scroll down. So here's the already call the one API like a category model inside a get record menu. We need to call another one again. Here I can do, just I copy this ones. Okay, here is the shops, and here we can make it new alignment, but before we can get the data, just copy and I can put here get category header menu, and here we can create a new menu like get record menu here there for this category model inside. So we need to call for this one get record menu headers. Okay, whatever name do you want to provide, you can do it. I just do like this, and just here we can do it. Let's just copy paste, and you can make it here get record menu header. Now also you need to make another condition here. like a is menu is equal to 1. Okay, let's go back again, refresh the page. First working, not working, error there. Just I go back again, refresh the page here. So you can see error is not there. Now you can go back again and I can create a new li, same like here there. So just simply I need to create a new li. First we can make a here for each loop, data available, cannot available. So for each has a dollar menu, and here I can make and for each. Let me check here, we have not used like this, not used. Okay, so we can use it directly. Simply you can make and for each. So we can do it new li, same like home, just copy paste and you can put here, and I don't want to need here active class, so just remove. After I can explain what is the active class, we can do it, but right now just you can do like this. Okay, menu, here you can do it category name, same thing you can see it here name directly, so you can use direct name. And also do you want to provide a slug, so just copy this line and you can put it here, and also you can change here menu. Okay, let's try now, working, not working, and just refresh the page. So you can see it here jewelry and watches available, because of here you can read yes. Suppose I need a toys and games, and I can put here menu and I just updates and I refresh the page. So you can see it like a toys and games available. So this is the meaning about you can go anywhere just like this, you see. Now we need to work active class. So this is the issues. Okay, so means is active, like whatever slug here there. So home, right now you are going to home, so we need to put active, because menu work is done. Whatever menu do you want to active, so you can active. Suppose I can go here and I can make here the actives, and you can see it here, see. So it's found. Okay, so means this work done. Now we need to work active class. So active class again, we need to get a segment. So just you can search in Google segment in Laravel. Once you can search, so you can see it like a first link, otherwise I will copy it code and I can show you. So simply we need to use like this, request segment 1. Let's go back again and we can use the active class. So here is already active class, where is there, here there. So class, and we need to use a segment, just copy these codes. Okay, I forget, I think I know what I can do. Let's make a request segment 1 is equal to menu slug. So we need to put active class here, otherwise we don't want to put active class. So simply you can put here active. Let's go back again, we can refresh the page, so we can check working, not working. So just go back again and I click on the sports and outdoors. So you see active class working. So I click on the toys and games, so also active class working. Suppose I'm going to jewelry and watches, so active class working. So this is the meaning about like a segment. So we need to use here segment. Same thing you can copy paste and you can do it like a home, and here you can put is a blank. Suppose blank segment 1, so meaning about like a active class for the home. Just go back again, refresh the page here. So you can see home now not highlighted. Suppose I'm going to click on the homes, so is the automatic highlights. So you can see it like a menu do you want to show in admin side. So we have done, also we have done active class. Now just scroll down, because of we don't want to need track my order this menu, because I am always sending all the emails for the notification, everything I am doing. So just you can remove for the track my order menu inside a footer. So layouts, inside go to footers, scroll down, so you can see it and just remove it. Okay, because we are not using, so why we need. And just go back again and refresh the page. Now I already changed some icons. Suppose you are seeing last video I have said dogs, but I have changed this. I just go to Google and you can search it. Now we can go to admin side and we need to fix this also, e-commerce like this there we need to fix also, because menu work done. So let's sort out admin side also, and I close everything. Just go to admin layouts, inside you can see header.blade.php. So here also there are two icon, one is the notification, one is the message. So here message not work, but notification work, because of we need to implement next video is the notification, because this video I will do it menu, and next video I can work notifications. So simply we need to remove the message icon, we don't want to use. So simple, just you can remove first one. Okay, so here is the removed message icon, because of we don't want to use, but notification icon we need, so you can leave it, because we need to work notification. Admin always receive the notification, because of anyone can place the order, anyone place whatever do, so user receive the notification is good for him. Also user can receive the notification, good for him. Okay, so we need a notification, so just leave it, because next video we can start. Here like images, we are not uploading any images admin side, you can see it here. So why we need to show images? Simple, you can go to scroll down, here is the e-commerce fix, and here is the images. I don't want to need images, just remove these images, and I just refresh the page, so you can see image done. And also I don't want to need for this all thing, like whatever here there, just I copy this name, and other thing here there I just remove. Okay, I don't want to need, but here welcome I just paste my name. Just go back and refresh the page here, so you can see admin. Okay, and here is a logout button already there. Just I can make like a welcome admin, so look like a goods. This is the reasons, welcome admin, so you can see it like a professional way looking this reasons. Okay, just refresh, so you can see welcome admin, and here is the hide show. Otherwise you can remove the welcome, I don't want to think that welcome also good. So you are login, and you can see it like a dashboards, admins, everything, and showing whatever user login, so you can see it name. So I hope you can understand everything what I explained in this video, and also I will clean some code. So next video we can continue for the notification. So anybody can place the order, so we need to send a notification to the user, means to the admin, and admin can approve the order, otherwise in progress whatever he can do, so back to notification to the user. We are already sending the emails, but we also need to send a notification, so it's good for him, so he can go to website and he can see some tracking. This reason we need. Okay, so do you have any question for this video? So please comment out, and do you want to like this video? So please like, and do you want to see like this video more? So please subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching Error Solutions.